Today we will learn two important concepts in association rule mining: support and confidence. Association rule mining is a data mining technique used to discover relationships between items in a dataset. It is commonly used in market basket analysis. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose a supermarket finds that customers who buy bread often buy butter as well. The rule can be written as bread right pointing arrow butter. Now let's understand support. Checkmark support measures how frequently a rule appears in the entire dataset. Formula: support, a right pointing arrow B, equals number of transactions containing both A and B, total number of transactions. For example, if there are 100 transactions and 20 transactions contain both bread and butter, support equals 20/100 equals 20%. This means 20% of all transactions contain both items. Checkmark confidence measures how often the conclusion is true when the condition is true. Formula: confidence, a right pointing arrow B, equals number of transactions containing both A and B, number of transactions containing a suppose 25 customers bought bread and among them 20 also bought butter. Confidence equals 20/25 equals 80%. This means that 80% of customers who bought bread also bought butter. Pushpin difference between support and confidence. Support shows how common the rule is in the entire dataset. Confidence shows how reliable the rule is. Checkmark example summary: total transactions equals 100, bread transactions equals 25, bread and butter transactions equals 20, support equals 20%, confidence equals 80%. These measures help businesses make better decisions, such as product placement, recommendations, and promotional offers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more data mining tutorials.